Hey everyone. If you want to build a professional support system in your Discord server in 2026, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create a full Discord support system. First, create a support category called Support Center. This helps you organize all help-related channels in one place. Next, create support channels like help, tickets, and announcements. This separates different types of support for users. Now, set up a ticket system using a bot like TicketTool. This allows users to create private support requests easily. After that, create an FAQ channel. This helps users solve common problems without needing staff support. Next, set up support roles like helper, moderator, and admin. These roles manage different levels of user support. Now, configure permissions carefully. Only support staff should have access to manage tickets and sensitive channels. You can also add auto reply bots. This helps guide users before a real staff member responds. So yeah, that's how you create a support system in Discord in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and your server will be organized, fast, and professional. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more Discord tutorials for fast and easy guides. Hey,